page 76. This is the last experiment I've done now for my printmaking, and out of all the others, as this is the last piece that I need to start and finish off. Doing this, I had done a few different styles as for my masks, as I needed to know if it would work similar in the same way if I folded it into a real one or if I had to leave it open, which in this piece it actually came out fine. The shoes, they all worked well, and I can open up and it has a nice blank page in between. I also done a few more, which these two pieces didn't come out. I done a hand, which you can see it hasn't come out that well. You can see the crease of the hand but from the palm, but otherwise you can't see anything. That's because I added too much ink at the time and it just didn't like it. And also the paper needs to be flat, as it touched these edges first, which wasn't really good. The second one, I tried making it as flat as I could. Still too much ink, too heavy, because it was all, you can see, all big bubbles, similar to when I use a sponge on my hand. You can see the thickness in it. As for doing this, after doing quite a few prints, the ink became lessened and weaker, which was easier for me to do the shoe prints. Doing this, I need to use much less ink whilst making it spread out really thin, almost as if it's like paper itself, thin, and it has to be levelled as well. This will mean I'll have to roll it out quite a lot, similar to college, but I won't be transferring after I rolled it onto the paper, as it's quite a struggle. It just means I need to roll it out for quite some time. Usually it takes about 5 minutes to roll out on an A4 size, where it's really thin. However, as I'll be working with an A1 size mat, as well as for my final piece, it will turn out to be with all the traces, I need to have plans a duration time of about 30 minutes of rolling it out, as it's a very large scale and it needs to be thin all over.